This is our Petals design recipe box, and to really get an appreciation for the detail, you have to zoom in really close. I hope you can see this, but look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at the detail work there. We use a really high-end engraving equipment to pull that off, and you can put whatever you want on the lid. Somebody's name or family name or whatever. Inside you'll see a little message from me and my wife. And sorry, there's a little noise in the background. We're manufacturing stuff back there. But you can see there's a little lip right here so you can read off your recipe while you're cooking. It includes some dividers so you can separate your recipes inside. And then we throw in a little conversion chart. This is 100% bamboo. It's very sustainable, solid. It's a solid bamboo bottom. It's not plastic. It's just a high quality recipe box. Hope you love it.